This demo shows how to set up customer portal access. First, add a contact with a first name. Add the last name and email. Enable the active portal setting and save. A prompt asks whether to link the contact to a customer. Confirm the link. Assign the customer and their role. In the customer role dialog, optionally set notification flags. Enable the option to display all sites related to this customer. This is optional but crucial for displaying all linked sites and records in the portal. Save the settings. After saving, another prompt lets you link the contact to one or more sites. Select a site and its role. Optionally set notifications by enabling the notification flag. After saving a credential, email is sent with the portal link and password. Use this to log into the portal. Once you log in, you will see all linked sites and records in the portal.